Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the Dow Jones ETF ticker symbol DIA. The Dow Jones is currently up around 45 basis points and we are still in market hour. On the 1 hour chart we are nearing an overbought level on the RSI, and on the 4 hour chart we are also nearing an overbought level on the RSI. As for the daily chart, we are also creeping up on overbought territory on the RSI, and I do believe the next resistance will be the all-time high of last year, dating back to October 3rd. And as for support, I see support that coincides with the 18-day moving average, or this purple line, and this coincides with resistance level of November 7th and resistance at December 3rd. And as you can see, it coincides or roughly around the same level. On to the next module, I'll compare our current trend right now with this trend. This trend dates back to May 2nd, 2013 to July 29th, 2013. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So let's point out the identical points. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend is an upward trend that stays above the middle Bollinger Band. And then we have a dip touching the bottom Bollinger Band afterwards. And then we have another dip in here as well. And we could say there is a slight, I would say, inverted V shape. And we'll mark that blue, but we continue going on higher, as you can see, reaching the upper Bollinger Band again, and then we continue on higher with the up channel. And as for here, we have a trend in the beginning that remained above the middle Bollinger Band, and then it gave in, touching the bottom Bollinger Band, not once but twice in this instance. And then we have the inverted V curve in here as well. And then after finding two support, it finally gained strength to find or to reach the upper Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with the Bollinger Band, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points here as well. So there's reason to believe that the trend is similar. The forecast will be also somewhat similar as well. So let's check the forecast model. I will go day by day where the Dow Jones or ETF ticker symbol DIA will head to in the next coming days. We are on day 0, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, and 7 days. And again, the trend that we examined was May 2nd, 2013 to July 29th, 2013. And back then, the Dow Jones only dropped around 30 basis points or 26 basis points, not much. And here's a line that I compared it to, the May 2nd chart. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.